Ain't nobody really fucking with me like they always say. And all these people hit me up, but I know that they be fake. Gonna grab the lawnmower from the cut up.
Ngomong aman. Ngomong udah nanti tuh. Mau video na.
Kamana ya teh?
Kayaknya. Ada dari gede ya.
Mana lah?
Ada dari gede.
Pejuang Parasman ya. Beda. Kamana euy? Emangnya itu video. Cuma ribu udah kayak waktu gendut-gendut euy.
Hai guys, kita teh lagi di hajatan.
Hajatan siapa?
Lagi di hajatan. Lagi di hajatan. Lagi di hajatan. Kita lagi di hajatan siapa? Bang Aris sama Wah.
Yang Parasmanan heula yuk.
Sama Wah.
Lapar lapar.
I could tell that they love my style. In the club we always bring a crowd. Leave your girl, she might be a while. I can see you in the corner staring, motherfucker. You should take a photo. Oh no, I'm about to go, yo. Shorty drop it low to pick it up. She like a yo-yo. And I'm getting so much action, I should be sponsored by GoPro. Back with a little more Hennessy inside of my red Solo. And I'm that crazy, man, I'm back. Baby, everybody in the club say this track wavy, I get stacks daily, man, these G's don't faze me. I was about to catch a body, but the DJ saved me, man. I could tell that they love my style. Okay. In the club we always bring a crowd. Okay. Leave your girl, she might be a while. Okay. I can see you in the corner staring, motherfucker. You should take a photo. Photo.
Lapar.
Aku ingin mempersuntingmu untuk yang pertama dan terakhir. Jangan kau tolak dan buatku hancur. Ku tak akan mengulang untuk meminta satu keyakinan hatiku ini. Akulah yang terbaik untukmu. Dengarkanlah